Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got to another video. In this video I'll show you how you can delete shorts videos from YouTube. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get started. So for that matter, simply go ahead and open up your YouTube. First of all, when you go to your YouTube section, go ahead first, log in with your, so make sure you're signed in with the channel where you would like to remove your shorts. And once you go do that, you're going to go to your channel over here and you're going to go to the section of shorts. Once you're in the section of shorts, all you gotta do is tap on this particular short that you would like to delete, and then simply go ahead, tap on the delete option, which will appear once you have clicked on the three dots icon next to it. Simply go ahead, tap on it, and then tap on delete, and your short will be deleted. You can do that to as many shorts as you want likewise, and you're good to go. That's basically how it works. Hope this video helped. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in our next video.